Hello. Alright, so thinking about division. Show your strategy and answer in three ways, with a model such as an array or ratio table, in words, and with an equation. So how can you use 1,100 divided by 11 to help you find 1,089 divided by 11? Well, here I know that what we're doing here is, for every one we have 11, and we're trying to find 1,089, right? Here I can see that clear as day. That's 100. And if I look at 1,089, I look at 1,100, I know that this is what? Plus 1 is 1,090, and then 10 is 1,100. So this is just, I'm going to subtract one group of 11. So I'm subtracting one group of 11, and that's going to give me my answer of 1,089 or 99. Sorry. How can you use? Oh wait. For each one, in words. I have to write words there. No. Okay. Like minus and stuff, or what? I need to check to see what they mean by in words here, but I can definitely do my strategy on the equation. Hold on, let me see what their expectation is for the words. I'll be right back. They basically want you to write down your thinking, like I did, but I talked. So because I talked it out, I'm going to allow myself not to write it out. So if you want to come up and talk to me about this one, that's fine. I'll allow you to do the same thing I did, but I did talk it out. So it should say something like 1,100 divided by 11 is 100, because 100 times 11 is 1,100. And if we take one group of 11 from 1,100, it leaves us with 1,089. So our answer is 99. So the equation that we should have here is 1,089 divided by 11 equals 99. Another one that we could probably have to help us out would be something like, let's see, 1,000 divided by 11 minus 11 divided by 1 equals no, sorry. Well, what do we do? We did 1,100 divided by 11 is 100, and then we subtracted one group of 11. Yeah, that works. Because 11 divided by 1 is 11. Yeah, so that would be 1,100 minus 11, which is equal to 1,089. So something like that. Yeah. How can you use 900 divided by 9 to help you find 936? So again, we have, for every one group we got 9. We're using 900 by 9. We know that's a... Wait, did I do that backwards thing again? I'm sorry. It's just you just never use that. Yeah. Okay, sorry. So here, for every one group I have 9. I know that if I have 100 groups, that's going to give me 900. So 900 divided by 9 is 100. And I'm looking for 936. Well, I know that so I'm looking for the number 36 and the number 9. So I know that 4 groups of 9 is 36. So if I add those together, I know 104 gives me 936. So I can say that we're doing division. 900 divided by 9 plus 36 divided by 9 equals 100 plus 4, which is equal to 104. Alrighty, look at the 5 division problems below. Before you solve them, decide if any of the problems have the same quotient. Explain how you know, and then solve each one. we have dividend, divisor, quotient is our answer. Okay, so looking at here, I see that 42 divided by 7 and 420 divided by 70 is going to be the same because, so A and C be the same quotient because the dividend and divisor have been multiplied, have both been by 10. So see, 42 and 420, that's 42 times 10, 7 and 70, that's 7 times 10. Here, 42 times 10, 7 is the same, that's going to be different. Oh, it looks like B and D would be the same too, right? Or no? Yeah, 420 times 10 is 4,200. 7 times 10 is 70. And the other ones, no, that's also B and D. Alright, 42 divided by 7 is 6. That means 420 divided by 7 is going to give me 60. Right, because this is 10 times more. 420 divided by 70, again that would be 6, because 6 times 70 is 420. 4,200 divided by 70 would be 60. And now it's asking me for 4,620 divided by 70, sorry. 462 divided by 7. So 420 plus 42. 420 plus 42 is 462. Right? So 462 divided by 7 would be 12? No. Where am I? Sorry, it would be 66. Not 6 plus this. It would be 66. So 66. Right? Yeah. It would be the same. So 462 divided by 7 is the same thing as 4,620 divided by 70. So that's going to give me 66. Alright, Mariana needs to solve the problem 588 divided by 42. She prefers to think about division as multiplication. She begins by thinking, I know 10 groups of 42. Create a ratio table to model Mariana's thinking and solve the problem. Alright, so she knows, she's setting up, she knows 1 is 42. So she knows 10 groups is 420. My target is 588. So right there, that's a difference of 168. Half of 420 is 210. Well, that's too high. So it's not going to be 5. Maybe I'll double. See, I have a feeling it's 4. So if I double, it's 84. And if I have 4, that's double here. So that's 168, right? And then, yeah, 420 plus 168 is going to give me 588. So plus this is going to give me 14 because plus this gives me 588. So 14 sets. So I could actually write 588 divided by 42 gives me 14. Thanks.